Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar, Luis Fonsi. Alright, I think you recognize that name. This one is called La Romana, so we're gonna take a look at this without any capo used here. We're going clean, so let's go over a couple chords needed for this song here. So we're gonna start off with the C. Alright, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have the E7 next. All right, so that is open E, second A, open D, first G, open B, and open E. We have the A minor, so that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We'll also have the F. So that's a bar chord. You play a bar here on the first fret. You cover all strings there with the index finger. And then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. And then we have the G chord. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And I believe we covered all chords we need for this song here. So let's take a look at La Romana. And before we do that, we need to learn the strumming pattern. So grab the C, and one round will be down, up, clap, up, like this. All right, so down, up, clap, up. And a couple rounds of it to get the feeling for it. It goes. Alright, so I'm gonna take you through now the song for the verses and the chorus played. So let's take a look at the first verse. It starts off actually with just one down per chord for the first part of this verse, okay? So it will be C, pauses there in between, and then E7, and then A minor, and then F. All right, and then starts the actual strumming there. Still in the first verse, we're gonna go A minor, 2 strumming rounds, and then F, 2 strumming rounds, and then C, 2 strumming rounds, and G, 2 strumming rounds, and that part you play for 2 rounds. So A minor, and F, C, and G. Second round, A minor, and that is the end of the first verse, and that takes us into the chorus. All right, first chorus. So we will continue from now on and till the very end the strumming pattern here. So that goes first C 4, then E7 4 times, and then F 4 times, and G 4 times, and then you continue with A minor 4, F4, C4, and G4. And that's it. So I'm gonna just mention the chords and play meanwhile. We're gonna have 4 strumming rounds per chord. Let's go. C, E7, F, G, A minor, F, C, and G. Alright, so that is the chorus, and from now on there's not much new to it, but it starts a little bit differently on the second verse here. If you compare that to the first one was just 1 down per chord. Now you will play C for 6 string rounds, and then you continue with E4, A minor 4, and F4. And then it continues in the same way as we had the next part of the verse there. A minor 2, F2, C2, and G2 for 2 rounds. So I'm gonna just mention the chords now to begin with: C6, and then E7/4, A minor 4, and F4, and then you continue in the same way with the second half, so to speak, of this verse. Let's do C6. E7, A minor, and F. A minor, F, C, G, and then you do another round of that: A minor, F, C, and G. We know that by now, and that is the second verse. And then comes the second chorus that is played in the exact same way as the first chorus we just learned, so no changes there. And after that second chorus, we have an outro part, all right? So we're gonna continue with C4, E7/4, A minor 4, then F2, and G, just one down in the end, and that marks the end of the song. So let's do C4, E7, A minor, F, and G. And that, my friends, is the end of Luis Fonsi's La Romana. Real people party there. If you watch the music video, they have a fun time there, enjoying themselves with dance and food and all that good stuff in life. So give it a chance. La Romana. Hope to get some good feedback on this one. If you enjoy it, then feel free to support me here on Gordon Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.